Good morning, good morning, good morning. My hair is past needing a wash. I'm just taking some water and spritzing over it. I don't have time to wash my hair today, so I am just doing my normal routine of moisturizing, and I do this no matter what's going on. I do some sort of liquid, whether it's water or a liquid leave-in. In this case, I'm doing water and my creamy leave-in, my Giovanni's direct leave-in weightless moisture. Okay, and then I'm following through with my argan oil. I picked up any oil actually that was readily available. And that's all I'm doing. A quick finger separation. And then I have my Eco Styler, the brown one. First time trying this. I mean, I've had it for a while and I've been using it, but my first time trying it really, You just hit the edges real quick. And this is meant to be pretty quick. I honestly don't know what in the world to do, y'all. I'm just doing something real chunky. I ain't gotta think about it. I ain't gotta detangle really. I'm just putting it up. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Yeah, I was rocking my I'll say they weren't Afro puffs, but they were buns. Twisted buns, and it was cute. Water. If this is me, like I would say 80% of the time with my hair, doing quick styles, My leave-in. We'll get a little water in the back. When it starts feeling crunchy, it's like, oh no, can't have that. I'm telling you, I've tried a few leave-in conditioners. I was truly disappointed, and I still have them, and I'm going to do a review on them at some point. But for me, a good leave-in, I know it's good and it works well if the next day, okay, that was my oil I just put in, and now I'm just doing a twist. The next day, if my hair feels good and moisturized, where I almost don't even need, let me get a little more hair, where I almost don't even need to do this process, But if I get up and it's crunchy the next day, I'm like, what was the point? It's crazy. I need you to be a little tighter. I'm gonna take a bobby pin. You could probably use a hairpin, but in fact, I'm gonna just join them all at the top, like so. And just do something real simple One more for security, for just in case. And then I'm just gonna take me a scarf, a bandana. That's to make it tight. If you wanted to, you can actually stop here, truth be told, and put you some, you know, some pins to like connect them and stuff. But I'm going to also wrap with the green because I want something a little more. First of all, it matches the earrings and the shirt that I'm about to put on top of this t-shirt. And secondly, it's just a little more style. You can tie a knot if you want, but I'm doing it like this. I probably should have did it the other way. I'm gonna try to do it the other way, cause ooh, I'm back. I do it like this. I don't know if that'll make them go back or not, but I kind of wanted it like that. Whatever the case, we will work it out, honey. Okay, and now I'm gonna just take a hairpin. You could probably just leave it like this, but since I can't see what the back is looking like, I'm just gonna take this hairpin and just sort of do one of those numbers and fix it until it looks good to you. Essentially, this is the look I am going for. Or do I want it like so? Maybe I just want it flat. And then tuck it somewhere. Find anywhere to tuck. Just tuck it. Okay, y'all. That is it. And it's going to come out looking different each time. And that's okay. Bottom line is your hair is moisturized. It is up and out of the way. It is twisted. It is not giving you any kind of tension. And you can just go on about your day. This is actually a nice spring, summer style. And I'm going to say spring because of the scarf. You can wear scarves in the summer, but sometimes it's just too hot to be adding stuff, you know. Okay, guys. I'm going to mess around with this a little bit more. But until the next video, you know, live simply and be kind. Smooches.